Hey guys, what's up? I'm Tanish. Welcome to my channel. So guys, instead of buying these cube timers which cost more than 1000 rupees. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best cube timer app in your mobile phone. So you're gonna go to Play Store and then look for search and type cube timer full and click for search. Then you scroll down, you find your cube timer full. You're gonna click. So this is 61 rupees. So you're gonna go back and then go for finger timer, then install it. So I'm giving you the best cube timer app in your mobile phone. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. So this got installing 52%, now 58, now 66, now 74 and 79 and 84, 90 and 95 and installing. Now we're gonna go back, open this app, and here we observe two hands with two folded fingers. So you're gonna place same like this diagram. So then it comes red and green, and take your fingers. Now the timer starts. And now again, after your cube solved, you're gonna click once again on those two figures. So then it gets stopped. So this is the way to use this app. And now again, to reset, click on the reset button, and then again it comes to the 0 position. So guys, once again, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share.